Launch piggybacking is a clever tactic employed by savvy marketers to capitalize on the momentum of upcoming product launches within affiliate networks like JVE Zoo and Warrior Plus. By strategically offering high-value gifts to vendors, marketers can leverage these launches to rapidly grow their email lists with proven buyers at minimal cost. The process begins with monitoring the release schedules of products within affiliate networks. Marketers keep a close eye on upcoming launches in their niche, identifying opportunities that align with their target audience and objectives. Once a promising launch is identified, marketers reach out to the vendors with an enticing proposition, offering a valuable gift that enhances the product being launched. These gifts could take various forms, such as exclusive bonus content, complimentary digital products, or access to premium services. The key is to offer something of genuine value that incentivizes customers to join the marketer's email list in exchange for claiming the gift. Vendors, eager to enhance the value proposition of their product and attract more customers, often welcome such offers. Once the agreement is in place, the vendor adds the gift to their product download page, where customers can access it upon purchase. In doing so, customers are prompted to join the marketer's email list to claim their gift, effectively opting in as subscribers. This strategy yields several benefits for marketers. First and foremost, it enables them to rapidly grow their email list with high-quality leads who have already demonstrated an interest in their niche by purchasing related products. Additionally, it establishes valuable partnerships with vendors and enhances the marketer's reputation within the affiliate community. Overall, launch piggybacking represents a cost-effective and efficient method for acquiring proven buyers and expanding the marketer's reach and influence.